Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the various options available in the home screen utilities under Unified DARPAN Android application. The various options available under utilities are Day Begin, Special Remittance, Generate BODA reports, IPPB and Day End. Now, let us discuss about each of these options in detail. The first option is Day Begin. Day Begin is required for accessing DARPAN application modules. So, the steps to be followed are: first, click on the Day Begin icon. Next, a confirmation message of Day Begin, that is, do you wish to do the Day Begin, will be displayed. And click on Yes to continue, and in the next message, date and time will be shown and the Day Begin will commence successfully. Next step is click on OK to continue. Please note, no operations are allowed before Day Begin. If the user tries to book any accountable article, the error will pop up saying do Day Begin to continue article booking. Therefore, Day Begin is compulsory on each working day. Friends, now we'll look into the second option, that is Special Remittance. This option can be used by the BPM to initiate additional cash requests from account office at any point of time, and the procedure to be followed is: first, click on Create Request. Then, enter the amount to be requested from the account office. Next, click on the Submit option. Then the confirmation message, Special Remittance Request generated successfully, will be displayed on the screen. Finally, click on OK to continue. In the next step, the status of the special remittance transaction can be obtained by clicking on Request Status to check the status of the request. Initially, the status of a request will be shown as Acknowledgement Pending. That is, the request has been created, but acknowledgement for that request is not yet received. Once the acknowledgement is received on the device, the status of the request will get changed from Acknowledgement Pending to Acknowledged, and a confirmation button will appear adjacent to the status. On the receipt of cash from the account office, the BO user must enter the amount received from the account office under the option Cash from Account Office to update the amount to BO wallet balance. Friends, now let us move on to the next option, to generate the branch office daily account, which is nothing but BODA. After the day end, branch post office daily account report will be generated on the device for the current business day. By clicking on the option Generate BODA, in the next screen, the system will show the details of the balance available on hand and the maximum sanctioned limit of the BO. Enter the actual amount to be remitted to account office in the column Cash to Account Office. enter the details of the liability form, weight of the cashback, documents sent to account office, and click on the confirmation to generate BODA. The system will pop up the message. If any amount found excess, then click on OK to continue. In the next window, the BODA report will be generated. We can check the report once again and can also take the printout of the same by clicking on the printer icon. BO will send the generated BODA to the account office through the BO bag. The next option is BODA reports. Using this option, user can generate the branch office daily account report of the old dates also by selecting the date from the calendar in the column report and click on OK to generate the report. Generated report will be displayed in the next window and this can also be printed. Now let us move on to the next option, that is IPPB data entry. Friends, as of now, the IPPB and DARPAN applications are not integrated, and to include the amount of the IPPB deposits and the withdrawals to the BODA, the amount needs to be entered manually by using the option IPPB data entry. User must select the date and then click on the search button to get the required fields for entering the IPPB transaction details. IPPB transaction details such as number of deposits, total deposit amount, number of withdrawals and total withdrawal amount must be entered based on the IPPB transactions carried out on the day. Then click on the submit. This will show the transactions accounted for the day. The next and the final option available under the utility screen is day end. Friends, day end is required to be done for the current business date of operations. Then only the BODA report can be generated. Select and click on the option day end. The system will pop up the message, do you wish to do the day end? Click on yes. And it will pop up one more message, day end happened successfully with date and time. Click on OK to complete the day end process. Once the day end is completed, BODA report will be generated. Friends, I hope you all understood about the options available under the home screen utilities and their usage under the Unified DARPAN Android application. With this, let us conclude this session. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.